Severe storms in Oklahoma injure many and cause widespread power outages. Severe storms and tornadoes struck Oklahoma early Sunday, causing significant destruction and chaos. Cars were tossed, and roofs ripped off buildings, leaving communities in shock and disarray. At least 11 people were hospitalized due to injuries sustained during the storm's fury. Thousands of homes and businesses are left without power, creating ongoing challenges for residents. Damage reports are widespread, especially around Oklahoma City and other areas throughout the state. Stay informed with the latest updates on this developing story.